Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about some Indian skincare brands. So vocal for local, that's been the trend, that's been the hashtag for this lockdown, and I got a chance to try out some of the Indian skincare brands. Some I've been using for a while now, others I've seen a lot of ads on my Instagram, some there are great reviews on Amazon. So that's how I came up with these four brands, and I've been using them for a while now. So the brands that I'm going to be talking about in this video is McCaffeine, Mama Earth, Fabia, and Unlock Mixify. So yes, let's just jump right into the video, and the first brand that I want to talk about is Unlock Mixify. So I have these three products from the brand. This is the glow serum, this is the skin detox face mask, and this is the moisturizer. So this was like a combo that I got. So I've been using this serum for a while now. You must have seen this bottle in a couple of videos of mine. I usually generally recommend this. I love this serum. So it has these like mild exfoliation properties. So you feel like your skin is getting smoother, and you will be able to see a difference in your skin in a couple of uses itself. This is a great serum, and there is no particular skin type that it suits. So everyone and anyone can use this serum. So they usually recommend you to use the serum along with this moisturizer. So yes, that's about this serum. About this moisturizer, I love. It's an amazing concept. Whenever like if you're going out somewhere, you don't have to carry two separate bottles. I love that. The only issue with this moisturizer is the implementation. I just feel like the casing, the packaging could have been better. So when you open this lid up, this is what it looks like from inside, and we have these tiny flaps and these lids, tiny lids for your to segregate your night cream from the day cream. These are really flappy. So if you've like taken out some cream and if you wanna keep the lid back on, sometimes it usually falls into the moisturizer. So I just feel like the packaging could have been better. Everything else is good. Even the price is really good. Also, the day cream has SPF 50. Probably that's why the cream is a little sticky, not ideal for a really humid weather. Otherwise, it's good. The night cream is actually really good. I love the night cream. So it's very smooth, really moisturizing, but not sticky and not very heavy on your skin. So that's this moisturizer. And then they have this face mask. So this is the Skin Glow Plus Detox Face Mask. I don't have a lot of thoughts about this face mask. It's a charcoal face mask, but it just doesn't sit well with my skin. Like it's difficult to get rid of. It really, penetrates deeper into my pores and doesn't really do much in terms of glow or detoxification. So yes, I don't know what to say about it. It just doesn't really work for my skin. Otherwise, these two are amazing. So yes. So the next brand that I want to talk about is McCaffeine. So this was my first time trying out the brand, and I didn't want to risk it, so I just bought the best-selling product that they have off their website, and this is the coffee body scrub. It's a powder scrub that you're supposed to use on damp skin. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the case. It's a glass bottle, really heavy, really sturdy. Of course, not travel friendly, but I love these sturdy packaging. And apart from the packaging, they even give you like wooden spatula because it's a powder product. This is exactly how I want my body scrub to be like. It provides very deep exfoliation, and sometimes like once a week when I have a lot of dead skin cells on my face or around my nose, if I have some whitehead coming out, I even use it around my nose and around my forehead as well to get rid of the tanning. And it's a great scrub. I would definitely highly recommend you to try the scrub or something else from the brand. I'm really impressed by the brand, by the packaging, the product. Everything has been a great experience. Even the delivery was very quick. So yes, I'm very impressed with the brand, and I would definitely like try out some more products from the brand as well. Now the next product that I want to talk about is Mama Earth. So I actually got a couple of products for the brand. The first product from the brand is the Argan Hair Mask. This is one of their best-selling products. That's what I normally do whenever I'm trying a new brand. I usually go for the best-selling product, and this has worked out amazingly for me. Now I know why everyone's been going like gaga over their hair masks. Completely justifiable. It has worked amazingly for me. Definitely recommend you to try this if your hair is like really dry or dull. My hair is usually not like that, but whenever my hair is feeling dull or dry, or like the ends are turning kind of brittle or lifeless, I use this hair mask and it works amazingly for me. So I use this like once a week, once or like once every 2 weeks, whatever my hair is feeling like. And then I even got the onion hair mask. My friend recommended it because I was experiencing a little hair fall, so a friend of mine recommended I go for that, and that was amazing. Like the first use itself, I noticed like less hair fall, and even my hair got like really shiny after one use. So I'm really impressed by Mama Earth hair masks. Then I got this face serum by the same brand. Unfortunately, this did not work out for me at all. Like I didn't know what it was doing. When I was sorry. So when I was using this serum, I did not use this one. I only used this with a regular moisturizer. I did not notice any difference in my skin, honestly. I feel like it didn't do anything to my skin. I did not see any difference in my skin. So, and no glow whatsoever, no, nothing. I was really disappointed with the serum. So, yes. So, overall, I've been really impressed by the brand. I like the packaging also. It's like very sturdy. Even the amount of product that you get is really good. And I think this mask is going to last you a long time. And I'm definitely going to be trying out some more products from the brand. And then the last brand that I want to talk about is Savia. So I actually wanted a scrub, and I saw a lot of good Amazon reviews for it. That is why I decided to go for this brand. So about the packaging, it's very flimsy. Like this is a plastic bottle on which they have this put this sticker on, and the bottle is like really flimsy. Sometimes it gets difficult to like get the lid back on. That was the packaging. I didn't like anything about it, and even the product was very mediocre. I mean, didn't do anything for my skin. It's just a product that sits on your face, does not do anything. I will not recommend you go for this. And this was one of their like best-selling products. There were amazing reviews on Amazon. That is why I decided to go for it. But I'm kind of surprised, like who reviews this product? Like what was the thought process? I don't know how the product managed to get so many good reviews on Amazon. It does not give you glow, it does not exfoliate your skin, and it's supposed to be a body scrub. Can't even really exfoliate your face. So yes, I would not recommend like anyone to go for this brand. So after I got these brands, I feel like a lot more ads have been popping up on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and we do have a lot of skincare brands from India. So I'm really open to trying those out. If you have any specific brand that you would like me to try and use it and share my reviews with you guys on YouTube, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to do that. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you found the videos like helpful or useful in some way. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye.